Phrasal verb squeeze. My car's engine was acting dash. Acting in, acting up, or acting off. Choose the appropriate one. Up is the correct answer. To act up means to cause trouble. Welcome back to my channel, Try My Quiz. Let's start. The stock prices failed dash after the scam was revealed. Off, back, in. Back is the correct answer. To fall back means to become lower in value. Teachers were just looking dash while students were playing. On, to, in. On is the correct answer. To look on means to observe. I don't know why she puts dash with him. At, to, or up. Up is the correct answer. To put up means to tolerate. People drew dash when they saw a tiger. Back, to, or down. Back is the correct answer. To draw back means to move away from something. We're really looking dash to our holiday in May. Back, towards, or forward. Forward is the correct answer. To look forward to means to feel happy and excited about something in future. After a long illness, the judge passed dash yesterday. On, away, or in. Away is the correct answer. To pass away means to die. He is clearly ready to knuckle dash to the task. Down, to, in. Down is the correct answer. To knuckle down means get to work. I told my kids to run dash to the playground until evening. At, on, along. Along is the correct answer. To run along means to go away. He was so hungry that he decided to wolf dash the entire meal. Down, to, in. Down is the correct answer. To wolf down means to eat very quickly. Dentist has to take dash her tooth. Out, to, off. Out is the correct answer. To take out means to remove something from its place. The firefighters worked tirelessly to put dash the fire in the mall. At, out, in. Out is the correct answer. To put out the fire means to extinguish. We will pop dash after the movie. At, to, in. In is the correct answer. To pop in means to visit briefly. The other witnesses will bear dash what I say. Out, to, in. Out is the correct answer. To bear out means to confirm that something is correct. You can recognize her easily as she texts dash her mother. In, to, or after. After is the correct answer. To take after means to resemble. Bomb went dash immediately after Prime Minister left the place. Off, on, in. Off is the correct answer. To go off means to explode. In case of bombs, of course. The trekkers set dash a tent on the river bank. Up, off, in. Up is the correct answer. To set up means to place or to build something. If you can afford to splash dash on shoes, then go for it because those will last longer. Out, to, off. Out is the correct answer. To splash out means to spend money freely. I just want to lie dash this weekend. On, around, in. Around is the correct answer. To lie around means to do nothing in particular. She plumped dash red dress over black one. For, in, on. For is the correct answer. To plump for means to choose. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.